usually I think what you want to do in investing is go for the complete no-brainers, where you don't need an Excel spreadsheet, you don't even need a calculator. You can do the math in your head and you know it's going to work great.
What does value investing mean to you? And can you tell us how you approach learning it?
Yeah, I think you either get it in 5 minutes or you're never going to get it. I think it's basically buying things for well below what they're worth. And so the first part of the equation is that if you're looking to make an investment in an asset, and you had mentioned real estate, let's say you were looking to buy a rental apartment. You would look at the rent and the expenses and what would be the net amount coming to you every month. And if you had a property that was going to give you, after everything, $1,000 a month or $12,000 a year, then the question is, what is that worth? What do you think that's worth to you? And it's worth different things to different people because there's different opportunity costs. But if you're looking for a 10% return on your money, then you wouldn't want to pay more than 100 or 120,000 for the property, right? Because that would give you about a 10% return. And if you wanted a 20% return, then you wouldn't want to pay more than 60,000, right? The threshold you set determines whether, and for some other investor, maybe 5% is enough. And for them, if they got the property for 200,000, they think it's a great deal, right? So, and of course, if you're going to leverage it, take a loan, etc., then that changes the equation, because then you look at the interest rate you're paying there, and then you look at your equity component and what return you're getting on that, and that can make you pay a somewhat higher multiple depending on the loan rates and so on. And investing in equities or stocks is very similar. Basically, you need to have an idea what the asset is worth versus what you're paying for it. And how long do you think it would take for the market to converge on what you think is the value of the business? And usually, I think what you want to do in investing is go for the complete no-brainers, where you don't need an Excel spreadsheet, you don't even need a calculator. You can do the math in your head and you know it's going to work great.